let's sprinkle these locks. Hello. I am back. I took a little hiatus for a little while, but I'm coming back, I promise. Today I'm going to be doing some lock sprinkles from Sprinkle My Locks on Instagram. I'm sure you've probably seen her by my girl Naomi. Shout out to her because these are super cute. I'm really excited. So I'm going to get into these lock sprinkles today. So like first and foremost, I just want to get into this packaging. Like, do y'all see how cute this packaging is? Like, this is not like no regular packaging. Like, this is super cute. Like, I almost want to keep it, to be honest with you. So next I'm going to get into what she includes in her packages. So obviously these are the lock sprinkles. I'll unwrap these afterwards. You can see her cute little sticker. It says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." And of course, anytime, she has so many kits online, like so many cute kits. This is only, I've only bought this first one right here. She's got so many cute kits online. I think there's probably like at least like 6, 7, maybe 8 kits on there. And right now she's sold out, but she's gonna be restocking soon. So please, when she does restock, flood her site, because these beads are so cute. I'll get into more like the colors that I got and like the beads that came with it when I unwrap them. Then after that, so it comes with a needle thread and a needle threader. She allows you to choose, I think she's got like 5 different thread colors, because you know all of us have different colored locks. So she's got different thread colors. You can order these individually too, like if you were to run out, so which is really nice. So that comes with that. And then she also has like this cute little card, right? So like if you scan this QR code, there's a bunch of tutorials. There's like inspos and stuff like that, which I really like. And then if you tag her on Instagram, she'll be able to include you on her page. So I really like that. All right, so let's get into this kit that I got. So I don't quite know how to pronounce the name of it, I'm not gonna lie, so I'm going to like include it down below in the description. But I think it was called like the Bayou or something, Bayou Glow, something of that nature. But it just has like a bunch of like greens and golds, browns. There's a cute like little pearl white one here. And then it's got like this pretty blue color. And then, so what she does, she includes like large beads too, like a little handful of those. And it has like these cute like white roses. It comes with these cute like leaves in here and everything like that. So yeah, I love like neutral colors like this. I love like my greens, I love my golds, I love like my browns, I love all of that. So this was the perfect kit for me. There's another one called like Golden Glow that she has on her website that I really wanted, but it was already sold out. So best believe when she restocks, I'm gonna be getting that one next, because if there's anything I love, it's some gold. So yeah, this is the kit that I got. This comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different colored beads. You just kind of get the chance to be creative with it. Like, I don't really quite know what design I'm gonna do, but I'll figure it out as I go. And lastly, another thing that I want to include is like, your girl doesn't skimp out on these beads. Do you see how many beads come in each one? Like, she doesn't skimp out on the beads. You get your fair share. And I really do appreciate that. Like, this is not like a thing of like, you just get a few beads and then you run out after that. Like, no, she really does fill these up. So I really do appreciate that. All right, let's sprinkle these locks.
Is there? And if you hear this and then go on bend your back, go on bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. For the DJ, please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Bad man, chill out. Shake it to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Bad man, chill out. Bad man, chill out. Yeah. Bad man, chill out. Bad man, chill out. Bad man, chill out. Yeah. Bad man, chill out. Bad man, chill out. Yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Yeah. Make you come first, coulda never take a last. Yeah. Like a ball, pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me, fuck it. Girl, you make it cocky brad. Original girl, some of them a dinner calf.
And if you hear this and then go on bend your back, go on bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. For the DJ, please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top. Yeah, man, I watch my body like say them I watch a match. Yeah, anything him say them girl, I do it like it's tax. But make my own money like the girls in movie trap. Classy, real bad girl, me get nasty. I do whatever I want just because I'm bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge. Never get my pums and him still fall in love. Yeah, I know anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not a hoe. Rice and peas, body hotter than jollof. I feel big at taste anyway, you see my pass.
And if you hear this and then go on bend your back, go on bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. For the DJ, please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it. shake it to the max. Don't got to fear, number one in command. I came just to kill, me ain't too militant. They won't figure eight, but I don't need a man. Still they love how me whine, and me true religion. You dealing with the body, of course, or you dealing with the boss. If we break up, yeah, you know that it's a loss. Upgraded every dude I ever touched. Said he want me back, he can't touch this. Baby, I already leveled up. You looking for love, and I'm looking for your love. Baby, you can handle all the sauce. And if you hear this song, then go and bend your back. Go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Alright, you guys, so this is the end result, and like honestly I think this is so cute. And granted, like this didn't even take me that long. It took me like 10 minutes to do it. I think the hardest part honestly was just like threading the freaking needle, but like outside of that, like once I actually got the hang of it, it was so easy to do. And you guys just look, like this is so cute. I got my flower, I've got my cute little like shell or like leaf and like little crystal rock here. And I just honestly just got creative with it. And I honestly, the next time I do this too, when I do another one, I'm gonna try to do some other little cute like little knickknacks and stuff. But guys, this is so cute and I'm so happy with it. Oh my god, yes. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna need you to go and support the business. Granted, like I said, right now they are sold out. She is restocking soon, so she's gonna have all new kits. Please go and get you some of these. You see how cute they look. You see how easy it was to do. It's not hard at all. It doesn't take long. And it's such a cute accessory to your hair. Like, I can't wait to style this. I honestly can't wait to do some more. But, like, this was my first time doing it. So I was like, all right, I'm just going to start with this first. But that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching another one of my videos. Please like, subscribe, share. Ooh, that was not cute. Please like, subscribe, share. I'll be posting more videos. Again, go support my girl. Go support her business. This will not be the last product review you see me do. There's another thing I also bought recently that I'm going to be doing a review on. It's the Jordan Taylor oil, so I'm going to be doing a separate video on that. But yeah, go support my girl's business. Sprinkle My Locs, that's her name on Instagram. She's got all types of beads on there. She's got all types of kits. There's something for everybody, so please go and flood her site. When she does restock, go and flood her site, please. Have a good day, guys. Thank you. Bye.
When I make me float,